Hi folks, welcome back to another video, another vlog. I just received from the mail dun, 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 my new uniform pieces. So we're just gonna quickly unbox this, and when I'm all glammed up, I will also do a little bit of a try on haul for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing this, please keep on watching. Still missing some pieces. I know for sure that I'm missing a blazer and a pair of pants, which are probably two of the most important things that I'm excited about for this whole look. Once we get those pieces, I'm gonna do all the full look for you guys, and we're gonna do all these try on hauls. But for now, I'm gonna quickly unbox this, and then we're just gonna see all the pieces, and then we'll go from there. So let's go! So this is what I got so far. I have one apron. I also have one skirt. I got 3 shirts that are like just short sleeve shirts, and then I have one dress. I have one coat. I also got a belt, and then a cardigan, and then we have a scarf, or 2 scarves actually. And then I got 1 name tag and then 2 of the wings. Oh no, I have 1 wings and then 1 of the lanyard. So first of all, we have the belt. Here we go. I think when I fitted this one, they gave me like a small, but it was still too big for me, so we went a size down. Hopefully this should be okay. I'm gonna try on all of these pieces off cam because again, I'm still missing 2 pieces, which are the blazer and the pants. Once I have all of the pieces completed, I will vlog that whole try on haul for you guys, and then we'll come up with this whole vlog. But yeah, actually I don't think this is really a functional belt, if you will. This is more for like a design piece, if anything. We have 2 of the scarves. They say that this one is better than the ones that we have right now because it looks more uniform and we kind of just have to clip it all on this side, but we'll see. I also have, what is this? My skirt. A skirt. And we have the dress. Here we go. The dress. The heavy coat. This is the coat. I hope it fits. Get 3 of these short sleeves shirt. And my cardigan. So yeah. And then I have my new apron. Alright, so this is like the half wing that you'll put just right above the name tag. So that's it. Oops. And then I chose the retractable lanyard because I'm not really a fan of the actual lanyard that you know, like you wear around your neck. I like the ones that you can just clip on here and then you just retract if you needed to. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have. Again, I'm missing the pants and the blazer. I'm sure by the time you see this vlog, we've already launched the whole look. I don't plan on posting this vlog before the official launch just because I still want to have that excitement going on. But that is all the unboxing that I have to do today. We'll see you on the try on haul.